You're watching SABC News Primetime. Lawyers representing 8 former policemen convicted of killing a Mozambican taxi driver are set to appeal. The North Gauteng High Court sentenced them to 15 years each for Mido Macia's death. They were found guilty in August. Macia was dragged behind a police van through Daveyton streets in full view of the public in February 2013.
A brutal arrest. Macia was handcuffed behind a police van and dragged for several meters. He was later found lying in a pool of blood in holding cells, severely beaten.
The continuous conduct of the accused concerning the injuries inflicted on the deceased was barbaric and totally unacceptable. It goes without saying that the community is entitled to protection against behavior of rogue police officers.
You must now rise, please.
After 2.5 years, punishment finally meted out.
Each of you are sentenced to 15 years imprisonment.
A sentence the court hopes will act as a deterrent.
This would send a message, a strong message to the police that want to be rogue out there, not to do this anymore. That they are hired to do the job and they need to do it good. Their job is to protect and save our community instead of actually abusing them.
Macia's family, though, was not in court.
I agree wholeheartedly with his sentence. Emotionally, I would have preferred a higher sentence, but we have to divorce emotion from the facts and the interpretation of the law.
But families of the 8 former officers say the sentence is disproportionate.
They never committed any sort of any crime before, and he should have considered the fact that they were on duty by the time that this whole incident took place. So we feel that it's totally unfair.
Finally, closure for the Macia family, but it's not over yet. The defense now wants to appeal the conviction, saying not all the former policemen had a hand in Macia's death. It will have 14 days to file an application. Another lingering matter, a civil claim against the police. Macia's family wants compensation for his death, a process that could drag on for some time to come. Mangoba Mchunu, SABC News, Pretoria.